The Ayodhya mediation verdict is expected to be out tomorrow. The Supreme Court's Constitution bench is likely to pass the orders tomorrow, and the verdict is expected sometime around 10:30 a.m. in the morning. That's a big breaking news. Remember, just yesterday, the Supreme Court had reserved the order. This after there was disagreement amidst all the petitioners. Remember, the Muslim side is in favor of mediation, and so is the Nirmohi Akhada, but the rest of the Hindu petitioners are not. So let's go across to Harish Upadhyay, who's joining us. Who's joining us with a whole lot more on this. Well, Harish, this is going to be massive. All eyes are going to be on the Supreme Court, and the ramifications of this kind of a verdict, Harish, is going to be massive.
Yes, Meghna, tomorrow at 10:30, the five-judge Constitution bench headed by Chief Justice Ram Janmabhoomi-Babri will formally pronouncing the order regarding referring the Ayodhya case for mediation. It will announce whether it will be a single mediator or a panel of mediators, and who will be comprising of the mediators. And most probably there are chances that it could be retired judges of the Supreme Court themselves. Remember, the Nirmohi Akhada had proposed to Justice Kurian Joseph, Justice A.K. Patnaik, G.S. Singhvi yesterday, while the Hindu Mahasabha has already proposed Justice J.S. Kehar, Deepak Mishra and A.K. Patnaik. It will be, we have to wait and watch which of the judges will be selected by the Chief Justice bench. And tomorrow, all these modalities of the mediation and the time frame will be fixed and announced in open court. Remember, yesterday, Supreme Court had appeared resolute on taking the mediation route to explore the possibility, no matter how slim, of a compromise between Hindu and Muslim parties warring for ownership of the disputed land in Ayodhya.
But Harish, if you can clarify, because this is a very technical and a very legal issue, you need to clarify for us. If they do go in for a mediation and there is an order which comes in from the mediation bench, then what happens? Is that going to be binding on each and every petitioner to go by what is decided?
Yes, Meghna, the court will even specify that while specifying a time frame for the panel to submit its report, it will also say that after the mediation report is submitted, there will be discussion in the court, and it will be made binding on all the parties and all the stakeholders. It may also say that we might even issue notices to all the stakeholders once the mediation report is submitted. So all these will be decided tomorrow, and all these modalities and the time frame will be fixed tomorrow.